Ngayon, i-feature natin ang pinakasikat na kanta ngayon. I love this song.
What song is it?
Pagdating ng panahon.
Pagdating ng panahon.
Ay, dahil sa lakas ng dating nito, umabot na ito ng double platinum
Wow.
at magiging title pa ng isang pelikula.
Oo, ano kaya? Pakinggan na natin ang kantang Sinising Along sa bawat sulok ng bansa
Correct.
with Pido, Rick, Pops, and Aiza.
Naghihintay na mahalin, umaasa kahit di man ngayon. the cinema brings you the music of the hit classic family dramas, E.T. and Casper.
Yeah, I know. Yes, back to SAP, the only one. And we would like to thank, of course, Rio Mix of
Yes.
natural frosty drink.
Uh-huh.
Main branch located at Retiro and soon to open at La Salle, SM Fairview, Don Antonio, and Better Living, Parañaque.
Okay, I would like to thank Cinderella for my outfits, Momento and Sisley, Alberto Shoes, DNG and Chloe Eyewear. Thank you to Jay Feliciano for my hair and makeup, and to DNY. Can you see that?
Yeah, DKNY.
What did I say?
DNY?
May K po yun. DKNY of Lucerne, right? Thank you very much. Happy birthday to Ambi Burak. Hi, Ambi. Happy birthday to Hannah Flores also. And Amapola Pedicino. On
And your
August,
concert.
yes, starting August po, I will be having a series of shows in Australia. So yung mga friends natin po doon at kababayan, watch out for me. August 3 in Melbourne, August 4 Sydney, and August 5 Brisbane.
Wow, at may iba naman tayo ngayon, Miss Pops. We would like to welcome Pido with Take One.
Yes.
They're here with us in ACP.
Yeah, it's really nice to be here. Thank you for guesting us here. And,
Thank you for coming, and of course, yung latest single nyo po is Bakit Di Mo Pansin.
Bakit di mo pansin?
Bakit ganun mga kanta ngayon?
Oo, no? Nakaka-relate ba tayo?
Parang, conscious lang ako talaga.
Uy,
Bakit
Maraming may bakit at saka
Bakit?
ano.
Oo,
saka-
sana, mga ganun.
Oo.
Pagdating, yung mga ganun.
Oo nga.
Invite them naman to get your album.
Yes, we would like to invite everyone to buy our album. It's out in the market. 250 lang po. We have this anti-piracy campaign.
Okay.
So, under MCA Records po yun. Self-titled. MCA Universal. Yan, para kumpleto. Yun.
Thank you very
Available na pa.
Fido, and of course, Take
Pwede
One.
rin bang
Bakit-
bumati?
Yes, go ahead.
We'd like to greet our friends in Iloilo, the Tribal Tech Gang. And happy birthday to my niece, Nikki. Yun.
Happy birthday and hello to everyone.